Next concept, chord of contact. So chord of contact means first we are taking one circle here. This is one circle, and we are taking the external point P is equal to x1 y1. External point means the point P which lies outside of the circle is called the external point of the circle. This is the outside point. We are taking from external point, one external point here. Now from this external point we are drawing two tangents to the given circle. These are the tangents which are drawn from P to the given circle. Now the two tangents touches the circle at the points A comma B. Then the line joining these 2 points A B is called the chord of contact of P. The line which joining these 2 points A comma B is called the chord of contact of P. If two tangents, now this is the definition, if two tangents are drawn to the circle from the point Px1 y1. If two tangents are drawn to the circle from the point Px1 y1, and these tangents touches the circle at A comma B. The two tangents touches the circle at the points A comma B. Then the line AB is called the chord of contact of B. Now the line AB is called the chord of contact of B. Now this is the chord of contact of the point P with respect to the circle S is equal to 0. And equation of we are taking the equation of circle as S is equal to 0. S is equal to 0 means we consider the standard form here. Equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. This is the formula. Equation of tangent is S1 equals to 0, and similarly equation of chord of contact is also S1 is equal to 0. Now here we have some special cases. If the point P lies outside of the circle, then equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. If suppose the point P lies on the circle, then the tangent itself can be defined as the chord of contact of the circle, chord of contact of P. That is, the point P lies on the circle, then the chord of contact coincides with the tangent. In this case, chord of contact and tangent both are equal. And in next case, if the point P lies inside of the circle, suppose this is a point P which lies inside of the circle, then in this case the chord of contact does not exist, since we can't draw two tangents to the circle from the point P, since the point P lies inside of the circle. If the point P lies outside of the circle, then only we can draw two tangents to the circle. If the point P lies inside of the circle, then we can't draw the tangents to the circle from the internal point. And if the point P lies on the circle, then the tangent itself becomes as the chord of contact. Find the chord of contact of 0, 5 with respect to the circle x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2x equal to 0. Find the chord of contact. Chord of contact means actually the chord of contact equation formula is S1 is equal to 0. But before finding the chord of contact of the given point, first we check whether the given point lies on the circle or outside of the circle or inside of the circle. First we want to check the point P lies outside of the circle, on the circle or inside of the circle. If the point P lies on the circle or outside of the circle, in these two cases the chord of contact exists, and in these two cases only we take the equation of contact as S1 is equal to 0. Or otherwise, that means if the point P lies inside of the circle, then we can take the chord of contact does not exist. So first we check whether the relative position of the point with respect to the given circle. For that, first we take the value of S11. So finding the value of S11 here, S1. First we have taken the given point and given circle. So given point is 0, 5, and given circle is x square plus y square minus 5x plus 4y minus 2 is equals to 0. Now first finding the value of S11. S11 is equals to in place of x comma y we are substituting 0, 5 values. So 0 square, 0 plus 5 square, 25 minus 5 into 0, 0 plus 4 into 5, 20 minus 2. Now this is 45 minus 2, 43, greater than 0. So S11 greater than 0 means the given point P lies outside of the circle. Therefore chord of contact exists. Therefore chord of contact exists, and this chord of contact equation is S1 is equals to 0. Exists, and equation of chord of contact is S1 is equals to 0. Equation of chord of contact is S1 equals to 0. Now we are finding the equation of chord of contact by using the formula S1 is equal to 0. So equation of chord of contact is S1 is equal to 0. Now taking the S1 notation to the given circle, x square. In place of x square we take x1 plus y square. Y square means y1 minus, just we are taking half of the value of this number, that is minus 5 by 2 into x plus x1 plus 4 by 2, half of the value of the y quotient, that is 2. 2 into y plus y1 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now in place of x1 y1 we are taking 0 comma 5. x1 is equal to 0 and y1 is equals to 5. Now substituting that value, x into 0, 0 plus y into 5 minus 5 by 2 into x plus x1, x plus 0 plus 2 into y plus 5 minus 2 is equals to 0. That is 5y minus 5x by 2 plus 2y plus 10 minus 2 is equals to 0. That is 5y plus 2y. 7y minus 5x by 2 plus 10 minus 2. 8 equal to 0. Now taking LCM, 14y minus 5x plus 16 equals to 0. That is 14y minus 5x plus 16 equals to 0. That is 5x minus 14y minus 16 equals to 0. Which is the minus 14 by minus 16 equal to 0, which is the required answer. Next problem, find the equation of chord of contact of 1 comma 1 to the circle x square plus y square is equal to 9. Here also we want to find the equation of chord of contact. So first we are taking the given circle. Given circle is x square plus y square is equals to 9, which implies we take this equation as s is equals to x square plus y square minus 9 equal to 0. Next taking the given point is x1 y1 is equals to 1 comma 1, which is taken as x1 y1. This is, now first we find the value of s11 to check the relative position of the given point with respect to the circle. S11 is equal to, S11 means substituting a given point in the above circle equation, 1 square plus 1 square minus 9, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, that is 1 plus 1 minus 9 is equals to 2 minus 9 is equal to minus 7, less than 0. Less than 0 means the point P lies inside of the circle. So point P lies inside of the circle means the chord of contact doesn't exist. Therefore the point P lies inside of the circle. So inside of circle. Therefore chord of contact doesn't exist. Chord of contact doesn't exist. That's it.